Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw Bandage with Adobe Illustrator. This is very simple and quick tutorial for beginner. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Press A, Direct Selection tool, and make it rounded. Press I, Eyedropper tool, and click the box to make the bandage have the same color. Remove the rounded first if you want to resize the shape. Now draw few circles. Give it random color. Duplicate the circle with Ctrl and C, then Ctrl and F on Windows, or Command and C, then Command and F on Mac. We use Ctrl and F to paste it precisely on the top of the current object. Select both circle and duplicate it again. Now select all four circle and group it with Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac. We can move it together easily and make it centered with the bandage easily. Now group it again. You can move it and make it snap to the center, or select all object and click Align Horizontal Align Center, then Align Vertical Align Center. Select all object we want to make hole in the bandage. Press Shift and M, Shape Builder tool, to join or cut shape. Press Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and you will see the cursor change to minus symbol. Now click the part you want to remove. Rotate the bandage by holding Shift. Duplicate and rotate backward. Send it to the back with Ctrl and left square bracket on Windows or Command and left square bracket on Mac. Use Ctrl and right square bracket on Windows or Command and right square bracket on Mac if you want to send it to the front.